This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear the browser's cache in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To clear the browser's cache, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Delete Browsing Data. As you can see, on a Windows or a Linux machine, the keyboard shortcut is Control plus Shift plus Delete. On a Mac, it would be Command plus Shift plus Delete. I'm going to click on this. A little dialog box will open up. At the very top, you have tabs, Basic or Advanced. Down below that, you have time range. How far back do you want to clear it? By default, it's probably set on last 4 weeks, but you could click that drop down. You could select last hour, 24 hours, or if you wanted to clear everything completely, you would click on all time. I'm going to leave it on the last hour. Then you have several different boxes you could check or uncheck. Browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. You could go up to the top up here and you can click on Advanced. It'll give you those same options plus more options. Now I could clear passwords and other sign-in data, autofill forms and data, site settings. You check or uncheck whatever you want here. Then you would go down to the bottom and click on Delete Data. Now, depending on how much stuff you have stored, it could take a minute or 2 minutes, but as you can see for mine, it just took a few seconds. That is how you clear your browser's cache in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.